Welcome to Mattavara Do All Institute of Technology. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn free at any pace. Good luck, learners. Have a good day. This program is brought to you by Matavara Doal Institute of Technology, MDAIT. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Learn almost everything free and become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator through Zoom virtual meetings, irrespective of geographical location, with or without the need for constant internet connectivity. Register your name for free webinars. How to register your name for free webinars? It is very easy. Please save the mobile number given in your mobile and then send your name by WhatsApp text message and send your name by email to the email ID that is given on the screen. Please spread this message to all your contacts so that somebody in some corner of the world will get some benefit out of this free, unique, and amazing opportunity. This is an Atmanirbhara Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, viewers. Have a good day. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. Efforts will be made to present the information correctly, clearly, and completely in this presentation. However, every keystroke is itself an important source of error, and therefore the end users are required to make use of the information provided here at their own risk, fully knowing their own personal limitations, if any. The study material supplied by the learners is exclusively used wherever possible in the presentations so that the learners will be able to learn from the same study material which they have. However, additional explanations, classroom examples, and exercises will be included as and when required to make the subjects more simpler and easier to learn. The video recording of all sessions will be made available to all participants to enable them to go through the same as many times as required in individual cases to become an expert in the topic covered in the sessions through the link to YouTube, which is also beneficial to all those who could not join the online session for any reason whatsoever. Kindly excuse, we need donations not in the form of money, but in the form of honest opinions, meaningful suggestions, and constructive criticisms to improve the quality and clarity of presentation of the information made during this session so that they are addressed to the best extent possible during all our future sessions and future programs in the best interest of learners. एषः पाठः मम सर्वेषां छात्राणां कृते समर्पितः अस्ति ये मां कथं पठयितुं शिक्षयन्ति स्म. This lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Samskrita or Sanskrit for everybody. Sarvesham krute Samskritam. Sanskrit for everybody. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ. ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಂ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ. Sanskrit everywhere. Ellello Samskrita. There are 4 steps in learning any language, including Samskrita or Sanskrit. They are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. In our sessions, you will be able to listen to what other participants will be saying. You will also get opportunity to speak by repeating by reading the lessons, that is words and sentences and combinations displayed on the screen. So reading also you will get the idea. The only thing that is left is writing. So I want you to write down on paper different sentences that you will learn during this session and send it by WhatsApp to 9844027371 so that you can go through and see any corrections if required. Because olden days there was no requirement for having knowledge of Devanagari script. But nowadays it appears that they are insisting on writing answers in qualifying examinations using Devanagari script. Therefore, it is very necessary for everybody to learn how to write and read information using Devanagari script. So, using the information provided during this session, please write as many sentences as you can learn from the session on white paper of A4 size, which is generally used for xeroxing, that is without any rules on that one. It is an unrolled paper, and write the answers using preferably black ink, either ink ball pen or gel ball pen. So, and send that image to me to my mobile number 98440270 by WhatsApp, so that I can go through and give any suggestions for improving handwriting, for writing information in Sanskrit language. Hello, anybody is there?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. So, this is Namo Namaha is what we start every day with this one, and it is either written in Devanagari script or it is also written using, say, Kannada language. It is written here. In Hindi, which also uses Devanagari script, the Namo Namaha in Sanskrit is same as Namo Namaha in Hindi also. Maybe in English, we can write something like this. The actual meaning of this one is not really exact translation is not available. Approximate idea is it means I bow down to all of you. This is practiced in some part of the world. So whenever several people meet their friends together, this is how they will be telling Namo Namaha. This is practiced in some part of the world. But however, this method we are not using in our country. So we just imagine that Namo Namaha means something like Namaskara. Now here we have several simple words which are written in Samskrita language. So I want the participants to read all these words from top to bottom once for revision purpose, though it is covered in the previous class. Read it from top to bottom once.
बालः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, जनकः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति.
Is it possible to tell what is the meaning of these sentences formed like that using these two words?
ಬಾಲಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ನಮತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ,
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ತಂದೆಯು
ವದತಿ means telling.
ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ,
ವದತಿ
ಅಣ್ಣನು
means
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ is telling.
ಅಗ್ರಜನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now approximate equivalent is balaha means boy, shishyaha means disciple or student or pupil, something like that you can take, or student, like that. Agrajaha is elder brother, janakaha father, pitruviha uncle, putraha son. Patate means read, namate salute, vadate say, pashyate see, pruchyate ask, gachyate go. If we see the Kannada meaning, it will be like balaha means we can say huduga, shishyaha means we can use shishya itself, agrajaha is anna, janakaha appa, pitruvyaha ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಪುತ್ರಃ ಮಗ. ಪಠತಿ ಓದು, ನಮತಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸು, ವದತಿ ಹೇಳು, ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ನೋಡು, ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಕೇಳು, ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಹೋಗು. Now we will take this one word and use this one word at a time, all of them, to make 6 sentences, like balaha patati, balaha namati, balaka vadati, balaha pashyati, balaha pruchyati, balaha gacchati. You can read like that once.
Sir, can I read?
Yeah.
बालः पठति, बालः नमति, बालः वदति, बालः पश्यति, बालः पृच्छति, बालः गच्छति.
Very good.
शिष्यः. Next Shishya we
you
have
want
to
to do okay, you want to continue everything, that is also fine, no problem. Yeah, continue.
शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पृच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. Next is अग्रजः. अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति. Next one जनक. जनकः पठति, जनकः नमति, जनकः वदति, जनकः पश्यति, जनकः पृच्छति, जनकः गच्छति. Next is पितृव्यः. पितृव्यः पठति, पितृव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पितृव्यः गच्छति. Last one is पुत्रः. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति.
Very good. Now what you have to do is, now you know, with each one taking this, we have formed 6 sentences, and there are 6 of them here. So totally we are able to write or form 36 different sentences, simple sentences in Sanskrit language. So what I want you to do is write these 36 sentences on unruled white paper using black ink, either ball pen or gel pen. Take an image of that and send it to my WhatsApp number 98440273771, so that I will go through and see whether any suggestion is required for improvement or it is already very good, readable by others. Because what you write in handwriting differs from person to person, and whatever is written must be read by someone else, not the same person, because our handwriting we can read. But in examinations, whatever we write, the examiner must be able to read. So you can do that, so that I will go through the same and suggest any improvement is required in writing the Sanskrit sentences. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sir. Can you please repeat the number, sir?
98
Ah.
440
440
27
27
371.
371. Thank you, sir.
How many are there, please? Because I cannot see on my screen.
Only
us,
we
sir.
two are there.
Then the other student also can read now.
बालः पठति, शिष्यः पठति, अग्रजः पठति, जनकः पठति, पितृव्यः पठति, पुत्रः पठति. शिष्यः पठति, शिष्यः नमति, शिष्यः वदति, शिष्यः पश्यति, शिष्यः पृच्छति, शिष्यः गच्छति. अग्रजः पठति, अग्रजः नमति, अग्रजः वदति, अग्रजः पश्यति, अग्रजः पृच्छति, अग्रजः गच्छति. जनकः पठति, जनकः नमति, जनकः वदति, जनकः पश्यति, जनकः पृच्छति, जनकः गच्छति. पितृव्यः पठति, पितृव्यः नमति, पितृव्यः वदति, पितृव्यः पश्यति, पितृव्यः पृच्छति, पितृव्यः गच्छति. पुत्रः पठति, पुत्रः नमति, पुत्रः वदति, पुत्रः पश्यति, पुत्रः पृच्छति, पुत्रः गच्छति.
Very good. Now, can you tell what will be the meaning in English or Kannada? Say, Agrajaha namati. What will be the meaning? Either in Kannada or English.
ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪಠತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ನಮತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವದತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅಗ್ರಜನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ, ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಃ means what? You have to tell.
ಅಣ್ಣ.
Because there is confusion between Anna or Akka like that. So therefore, you can tell in Kannada or in English like that. So now, say Pitruvyaha Pashyati. What is the meaning? The other student can tell.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good, very good. So that means these basic items you are familiar. We'll go to the next lesson. Okay?
Okay, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
Now, here I have written the same words here, but these things I have changed. So this is Sevakaha, Vikshukaha, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Sutaha. Now, the meaning of this is approximately like this. Sevakaha means servant. Bhikshukaha can be beggar. We can also consider it as a monk, because they also go for asking for alms from the people. Mata, mother. Anuja, younger sister. Agraja, elder sister. Sutaha, son. So here lot of confusion will be there. That is Agrajaha is the elder brother. Agraja is elder sister. So the confusion should not be there. So Patati is read, Namati is salute, Vadati is say, Pashyate is see, Pruchyate is ask, Gachyate is go. Rough idea. So using this, we have to interpret in our own way and make the meaning for ourselves. That is how it is there. Now here, probably you might have come across some people telling something like this. ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದೆಯಾ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತಾರೆ.
Yes.
Have you come across?
Yeah, ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
So this vadati is ಹೇಳು. So therefore Samskrita word in Kannada karsi they will be telling like that. So in Kannada Sevakaha
Excuse
we
me,
can
sir.
call it as Sevaka itself. Vikshakaha could be called as Sannyasi. Mata is Tayi. Anuja is Tangi. Agraja is Akka. Sutaha is Maga. See, previously there was Putraha. Putraha is also
both are
Maga.
same, no,
Sutaha is also Maga. Patati is Odo. Namate Namaskariso. Vadati Helu. Pashyate Nodo. Pruchyate Kedu. Gachyate Hogo. These are the basic minimum conversion that we can have for the different words. Now you can read these words top to bottom once. At the end you read this top to bottom once. Anyone?
ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಠತಿ like this, sir.
You can read it top to bottom here. Sevakaha, Bishikaha, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Sutta. Then Patate, Namate, Vadate, Pashyate, Pruchyate, Gachyate.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಮಾತಾ ಅನುಜ ಅಗ್ರಜ ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ ನಮತಿ ವದತಿ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Now just like the previous example, with each one, if we use these words one at a time, we will make 6 sentences, and with 6 of this it will become 36 sentences. That means the previous slide and this one put together, 36 plus 36, you will be able to make 72 simple sentences in Samskrita or Sanskrit language. So now we can read Sevakaha Patati, Sevakaha Namate, Sevakaha Vadate, Sevakaha Pashyate, Sevakaha Pruchyate, Sevakaha Gachyate. Like that. You read it once, anyone.
Can I read, sir?
Anyone can read, no problem. Other also will get a chance.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಸೇವಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಸೇವಕಃ ವದತಿ ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಸೇವಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಸೇವಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅನುಜಾ ನಮತಿ ಅನುಜಾ ವದತಿ ಅನುಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಅನುಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಅನುಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ನಮತಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ವದತಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ. ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ.
Very good. So the other student also can read in the same way.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ವದತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಸೇವಕಃ ವದತಿ
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ ತಾಯಿ ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ನಮತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ವದತಿ
Anuja is ತಂಗಿ, not ಅಕ್ಕ. Agraja is ಅಕ್ಕ. Anuja is ತಂಗಿ, sister,
Anuja
younger
ಪಠತಿ.
sister, elder sister.
ಅನುಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ತಂಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ನಮತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ವದತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ನಮತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ವದತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ ಮಗನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now the other student can also read like that and give the meaning in either English or Kannada.
All 36 sir.
ಹಾ.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ವದತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ವದತಿ is ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಸೇವಕಃ ವದತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೇವಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಠತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ನಮತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ವದತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಠತಿ ತಾಯಿ ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ನಮತಿ ತಾಯಿ ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ವದತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಮಾತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ.
Anuja is ತಂಗಿ,
ತಂಗಿ
younger sister.
ತಂಗಿಯು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ನಮತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ವದತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅನುಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಠತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ನಮತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ವದತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸುತಃ ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ. One second sir, 1 minute.
Okay.
ಸುತಃ ಪಠತಿ ಮಗನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ನಮತಿ ಮಗನು ನಮಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ವದತಿ ಮಗನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ಮಗನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ ಮಗನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುತಃ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ ಮಗನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we see, reading this Devanagari script, whatever is written, you are able to read. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
And you are able to listen to other participants who are speaking. And you are able to speak yourself. So speaking, listening, reading is done. Now writing is only there. So to learn any language, these four are required: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So here also you get 36 sentences you will get. Sevakah patati, sevakah namati, like that. Each one 6 will be there, and for each one of them there will be 6. So totally 6 into 6, 36 simple sentences will come. Please write all of them on white paper unruled. Use black ink, preferably either ink pen or gel pen, and take an image and send it to me so that I will go through and see, because handwriting varies slightly from the printed form that is available in the either computer or in the typewriters. Okay? And one time writing is
Okay,
equal
sir.
to 10 times reading. And examinations, it is necessary to write. Unless we practice, you will not be able to write fast. That is why it is essential to write it first. Now again I have kept these 6 same, but I have changed these 6 here. Rama is the name of a girl. Bala is the name of a girl, that also. Ganga, name of a girl. Sita, name of a girl. Saha means he, avanu. Sa means avalu, like that. So that will be approximately like this. Rama in English we may write like this, but actually it is Rama, that is extension. Maybe one more we can write, but people may not write it. Bala means girl. Ganga is this one. See here, this one written, this is the last letter of Kavarga or Kakaganga we write, that is that Nga here. It looks like that da and a dot here, that becomes a Nga. So that is, this bottom half, this one indicates half of that is red. So that is how they read it as Ganga, like that. But in the reading, even if you have put N here or put a dot here and Ga here, it is all the same. We will read as Ganga only. So when we are reading something which is already printed by someone else, if this comes like this, it means it is Ganga. That is what you have to remember. So Saha means he, Saha means she, like that. This we have already seen what it is. So in Kannada, if you go, it will be written like this. But they may not put this idi here, but in Sanskrita it is written like that. Bala, Ganga, Sita, like that. Saha and Sa. So this we have already seen earlier. So same meaning only there. So you can read the names from top to bottom here once, and top to bottom here once for revision, like Rama, Bala, Ganga, Sita, Saha, Sa, Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pashyati, Pruchyati, Gachyati, like that. You read it once.
Rama, Bala, Ganga, Sita, Saha, Sa, Pathati, Namati, Vadati, Pashyati, Pruchyati, Gacchati.
So the other student also can repeat the same thing from here.
Rama, Bala, Ganga, Sita, Saha, Sa, Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pashyati, Pruchyati, Gacchati.
I think you are not speaking to the mic. It is very mild voice.
Rama,
Now it is better.
audible, sir?
It is better now.
Bala, Ganga, Sita, Saha, Sa. Patati, Namati, Vadati, Pruchati,
Pashyate.
Pashyati, Pashyati, Pruchati, Gachati.
Now we will make again 6 sentences, taking one at a time here and connecting with all of them one at a time, so that each one will give 6 sentences and all the 6 will give 36 sentences. So Rama patati, Rama namati, Rama vadati, Rama pashyati, Rama pruchyati, Rama gacchati, like that. So Rama patati, Rama ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ನಮತಿ, ರಮಾ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ವದತಿ, ರಮಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ರಮಾ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಪೃಚ್ಯತಿ, ರಮಾ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ರಮಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. So you can read that, and suppose you are familiar, you can read with each one of them. So first one student can do, and then other one can repeat it.
Sir, these are already over, sir, in the last class itself. Hello, sir.
Anyone can read, start, then afterwards other
These are
person also will
already
get a
over in
chance.
the last class itself, sir. Brahma Pashyati.
One at a time, one at a time. Anyone can start.
Rama Pashyati, Rama Patati, Rama Namati, Rama Vadati, Rama Pashyati, Rama Puchati, Rama Gachati. Bala Patati, Bala Namati, Bala Vadati, Bala Pashyati, Bala Pruchati, Bala Gachati. Ganga Patati, Ganga Namati, Ganga Vadati, Ganga Pashyati, Ganga Pruchati, Ganga Gachati. Sita Patati, Sita Namati, Sita Vadati, Sita Vadati, Sita Pashyati, Sita Pruchati, Sita Gachati. Saha Patati, Saha Namati, Saha Vadati, Saha Pashyati, Saha Pruchati, Saha Gachati. Sa Patati, Sa Namati, Sa Vadati, Sa Pashyati, Sa Pruchati, Sa Gachati.
Very good. Now the other student can also read in the same way.
ರಮಾ ಪಠತಿ, ರಮಾ ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ.
Tell me.
ರಮಾ ನಮತಿ, ರಮಾ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ವದತಿ, ರಮಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ರಮಾ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ರಮಾ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ರಮಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ನಮತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ವದತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಬಾಲಿಕೆಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ನಮತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ವದತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಗಂಗೆಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ನಮತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ವದತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಸೀತೆಯು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸ ಪಠತಿ, ಅವನು ಓದುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸ ನಮತಿ, ಅವನು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ವದತಿ, ಅವನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅವನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅವನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಅವನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಾ ಪಠತಿ, ಅವಳು ಓದುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ನಮತಿ, ಅವಳು ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ವದತಿ, ಅವಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಪಶ್ಯತಿ, ಅವಳು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಪೃಚ್ಛತಿ, ಅವಳು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಗಚ್ಚತಿ, ಅವಳು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ.
Very good. So we will go to the next one. So here I have kept these old items only, but this one I have changed here now. So it is Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyah, Putraha. These are the old items. This one are new. Davate, Tishtate, Atate, Hasate, Kridate, Kadate. Now, approximate meaning in English is Balaha is boy, Shishyaha, disciple, pupil, student, learner, anything like that. Agrajaha, elder brother, Janakaha, father, Pitruvyaha, uncle, Putraha, son, Davati, run, Tishtati, stand, Atate, wander, Asate, smile, Kridate, play, Kadate, eat. Approximate meaning in Kannada will be like Balaha is Huduga, Shishyaha, Shishya itself we can use in Kannada also, Agrajaha, Anna, Janakaha, Appa, Pitruvyaha, Chikkappa, Putraha, Maga. Davate means Odo, Tishtate, Nillo, Atate, Aledado, Asate, Nago, Kridate, Ata Ado, Kadate, Tinno, like this. So now with each one of them we can make 36 combination here. Each one will give 6 sentences. So 6 will give 36 simple sentences in Sanskrit. So for practice, read this once from top to bottom. At the end, read this from top to bottom. Maybe this you can read it once and this you can read it 3 times because these are the new words in Sanskrit we are learning here. So read this once here like Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha. This one we read 3 times. Davate, Tishtate, Atate, Asate, Kridate, Kadate. Davate, Tishtate, Atate, Asate, Kridate, Kadate. Davate, Tishtate, Atate, Asate, Kridate, Kadate. Because these are new words we are learning now. Anyone can start.
Balaha,
Balaha.
Shishyaha,
One at a time. Both will give the chance because you have to learn reading, speaking, listening, and writing. Okay, anyone? If you tell your name, I can call by name also.
Balaha, Shishyaha, Agrajaha, Janakaha, Pitruvyaha, Putraha, Dhavati, Tishtati, Atati, Hasati, Kridati, Khadati. Dhavati, Tishtati, Atati, Hasati, Kridati, Khadati. Dhavati, Tishtati, Atati, Hasati, Kridati, Khadati.
Very good. Now other student can also read in the same way.
ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಅಂತ.
Very nice. Thank you. Because in my screen I am not able to see anybody. That's
sir.
why. Whether
Sorry,
participants are there or not, I don't know. So only when you respond, I will be knowing. Otherwise, I will not know. Who
Very
is the
sir.
other one, please?
Mahodaya, Mama Nama Nagamani.
Oh, okay. Nagamani na?
Nagamani.
Nagamani.
Huh.
Or Nagaveni?
Nagamani.
Nagamani. Okay. So Nagamani and Akshata are there. So I am really happy that you are participating in this one. I am learning from students. I treat in the beginning itself I have written, this lesson is dedicated to all my students who taught me how to teach. Because the purpose is whatever we do, the other person should understand in the simplest possible way. And not to make the thing complicated. That is why simplifying, I am making the best lesson which nobody else is given in the whole world I can challenge. Are you able to say?
Yes, sir.
Agree or not?
Yes, agree, sir. It is very useful. ತುಂಬಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Because
ಇದರಿಂದ.
all types of so many lessons are available in the world, but still there is need for someone to teach the subject
Teach.
clearly,
Yeah, that's true.
correctly, completely in the simplest possible form so that people will become familiar with the shortest possible time. So that is my effort here, that's all. So I am really happy that somebody has joined. You can spread this message, any number of people can join, no problem. It is totally
Okay, sir.
free. I am not charging single paisa. At the end, I will give you the video recording also through YouTube, so that you can go through it as many number of times as
I
required.
am
In
following
case
it,
you
sir. Actually, you
huh?
are taking the morning 6 o'clock recording. You are sending, no? That I am
Huh.
following, sir.
Yeah, you must go through it again, because while class, some attention may be drawn to some other thing. Like here, I got 3 calls. I tried to reject them, like that. So attention goes somewhere. So therefore, something you may miss. So in fact, one single word that is missed, actually, we will it will take our entire career itself. I can give a simple example. So about 50 years back, I was in a this touring talkies, a tent, okay, where my brother-in-law was working as the operator.
Okay.
So I asked them, at least you teach me how to play this picture in the this one that is in the using projector operations. He taught me, and I was there and listening. I have seen 27 shows. That film was Saku Magalu. There, one word I was not able to get, even with lot of concentration. Then I asked my co-brother about what is this, that particular word I am missing there. Then he said, see, the pictures are made in several parts. It comes in boxes, and we join 5 parts to make one spool, like that. So while sending back the film, we'll cut the film at the joints and
Oh,
separate them and put them in their respective box and send. So when the film goes to several theaters, what happens? Each place they are cutting about 2 inches on either end and joining and again cutting, like that. So some portion will go away. So what happens? The soundtrack along with that, whatever is there, along with the video recording, that also goes. So that cannot be heard at all. That was it.
it has been missed.
Huh?
It has been missed.
So therefore, one single word has the power to stop the entire career of a person. Because if we can't understand the meaning of a word, we will stop. We will not proceed further at all. That is why we must select the simplest possible words in the beginning to learn and see how to use it. So now you see that 36, we have covered like 108 different sentences you can make. Now let us make another 108 from these combinations using this davati, tishtati, atati, asati, kridati and kadati with the same old items what we have taken here. So 108 will be 216 simple sentences you are making in one class. You see, which nobody will be able to do. Even if they have done MA Sanskrit also, you ask them to write 10 simple sentences, they will not be able to write. But you will be able to do that one. Okay. With that, let us start with Balaha Davate, Balaha Tishtate, Balaha
Yes, sir.
Atate, Balaha Asate, Balaha Kridate, Balaha Kadate. I think I already given the meaning in English and Kannada, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So
I'll
Kannada
read
I have
also.
given, English also I have given. So with that, let us try to make the sentence, and you can take the meaning either in Kannada or English, whichever is comfortable to you, no problem. So anyone
Okay, sir.
can start. Afterwards, the other student also will this, because everybody should get opportunity to speak as well as listen as well as reading. And writing should be an exercise, because unless you do the writing, the learning language, that 4 steps are not complete. That is the thing. Okay, anybody can start now.
Okay, sir. I'll start. ಬಾಲ ಬಾಲಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಲಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಲಃ ಅಟತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಲಃ ಹಸತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಲಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಆಟ ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಬಾಲಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಅಟತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಹಸತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಅಟತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಹಸತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಅಪ್ಪನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಯ ಹಸತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಮಗನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಮಗನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಅಟತಿ ಮಗನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಹಸತಿ ಮಗನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಮಗನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಮಗನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Okay. Now the other student can repeat the same way.
ಬಾಲಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಕಃ ಅಟತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಃ ಹಸತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಬಾಲಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಅಟತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಹಸತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಅಣ್ಣನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಧಾವತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ಓಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಅಟತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಹಸತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ನಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ಆಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಖಾದತಿ ತಂದೆಯು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಅಟತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಅಲೆಯುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಹಸತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ನಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಅಟತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಹಸತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಪುತ್ರನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now, before going to the next lesson, let us say Janakaha Tishtati. What is the meaning in English?
ಅಪ್ಪನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ.
In Kannada, in English?
Father is standing.
Very good, very good. So we'll go to the next set. Now I am keeping this Davati etc. same, but this we will change now. So Sevakaha, Bhikshukah, Mata, Anuja, Agraja, Suta. And this is Davati, Tishtati, Atati, Asati, Kridati, Kadati. So you can read it top to bottom like this once and top to bottom like this once.
Sir, this is already over, sir.
No, no, I have put Sevakaha. Earlier it was different. Is it not?
सेवकः भिक्षुकः माता अनुजा अग्रजा सुतः धावति तिष्ठति अटति हसति क्रीडति खादति सेवकः
very good.
धावति
Yeah. So this is the English meaning, and that is the Kannada meanings. So what you have changed is, we have changed this one with these things. Earlier this was different. Patati, etc. was there. So Sevakaha Davati. Like that you can read.
सेवकः
one.
धावति
And one at a time you will form 6 sentences, then second one 6, third one 6, so it will be like 36 sentences here.
सेवकः धावति सेवकः तिष्ठति सेवकः अटति सेवकः हसति सेवकः क्रीडति सेवकः खादति भिक्षुकः धावति भिक्षुकः तिष्ठति भिक्षुकः अटति भिक्षुकः हसति भिक्षुकः क्रीडति भिक्षुकः खादति माता धावति माता तिष्ठति माता अटति माता हसति माता क्रीडति माता खादति अनुजा धावति अनुजा तिष्ठति अनुजा अटति अनुजा हसति अनुजा क्रीडति अनुजा खादति अग्रजा धावति अग्रजा तिष्ठति अग्रजा अटति अग्रजा हसति अग्रजा क्रीडति अग्रजा खादति सुतः धावति सुतः तिष्ठति सुतः अटति सुतः हसति सुतः क्रीडति सुतः खादति
Very good. So other student can also read.
ಸೇವಕಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವಕಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವಕಃ ಅಟತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವಕಃ ಹಸತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವಕಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸೇವಕಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಸೇವಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಅಟತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಹಸತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ ಮಾತಾ ಧಾವತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾ ಅಟತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾ ಹಸತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಮಾತಾ ಖಾದತಿ ತಾಯಿಯು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ಧಾವತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ಅಟತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ಹಸತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅನುಜಾ ಖಾದತಿ ತಂಗಿಯು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಧಾವತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಅಟತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಹಸತಿ ಅಕ್ಕಳು ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಗ್ರಜಾ ಖಾದತಿ ಅಕ್ಕನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ ಸುತಃ ಧಾವತಿ ಮಗನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತಃ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ಮಗನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತಃ ಅಟತಿ ಮಗನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತಃ ಹಸತಿ ಮಗನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತಃ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ ಮಗನು ಆಟವಾಡುತ್ತಾನೆ ಸುತಃ ಖಾದತಿ ಮಗನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now we will keep this Davati Tishtati same, but this we will change. So you can read this once from top to bottom and once from top to bottom here.
रमा बाला गंगा सीता सह सा धावति तिष्ठति अटति हसति क्रीडति खादति.
Very good. So other student also can.
रमा बाला गंगा सीता सह सा धावति तिष्ठति अटति हसति क्रीडति खादति.
So now previous one also we had 36 sentences. Here there will be 36. So totally it will cover 216 sentences using these words. So Rama Davati, Rama Tishtati, Rama Atati, Rama Hasati, Rama Kridati, Rama Kadati. Like that you read them and you can tell the meaning either in English or in Kannada. Anyone can start. Other also will get the chance. Akshata, whether you can read?
Yeah, sir, I can.
Ah.
Rama dhavati, Rama runs, Rama tishtati, Rama stands, Rama atati, Rama roam, Rama hasati, Rama laugh, Rama
Instead of
kridati,
laugh, you can say smile.
laugh, smile, yeah,
Because smile is a better word than laugh.
laugh.
Because if we say she laughed at me, it is a different meaning than she smiled at
She
me.
smile at me, yeah, correct.
Yes.
Rama smiles, Rama hasati, Rama smiles, Rama kridati, Rama plays, Rama khadati, Rama eats.
Very
Bala
good.
dhavati, Bala dhavati, girl we have to use here.
Girl runs.
Girl runs, Bala tishtati, girl stands, Bala atati, girl roams, Bala hasati, girl smiles, Bala kridati, girl plays, Bala khadati, girl eats. Ganga dhavati, Ganga runs, Ganga tishtati, Ganga stands, Ganga atati, Ganga roams, Ganga
Wanders.
hasati,
Wander,
wander,
everything you want.
wander. Yes. Ganga hasati, Ganga smiles, Ganga kridati, Ganga plays, Ganga khadati, Ganga eats. Sita dhavati, Sita runs, Sita tishtati, Sita stands, Sita atati, Sita wander, Sita hasati, Sita smiles, Sita kridati, Sita plays, Sita khadati, Sita eats. Saha dhavati, he runs, Saha tishtati, he stands, Saha atati, he roams, Saha hasati, he smiles, Saha kridati, he plays, Saha khadati, he eats. Sa dhavati, she runs, Sa tishtati, she stands, Sa atati, she roams, Sa hasati, she smiles, Sa kridati, she plays, Sa khadati, she eats.
Very good. So now Nagamani can repeat the same thing. Tell in answers in Kannada or English, no problem.
ರಮಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ರಮಾ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ರಮಾ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಅಟತಿ, ರಮಾ ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಹಸತಿ, ರಮಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ರಮಾ ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ರಮಾ ಖಾದತಿ, ರಮಾ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಾಲ ಧಾವತಿ, ಬಾಲನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಬಾಲನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲ ಅಟತಿ, ಬಾಲನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲ ಹಸತಿ, ಬಾಲ ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಬಾಲ ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲ ಖಾದತಿ, ಬಾಲ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಧಾವತಿ,
mic, otherwise it will be very mild voice.
ಗಂಗಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಗಂಗೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮೈಕ್ ದೂರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗಂಗಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಗಂಗಾ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಗಂಗಾ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಅಟತಿ, ಗಂಗಾ ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಹಸತಿ, ಗಂಗೆ ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಗಂಗೆ ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಗಂಗಾ ಖಾದತಿ, ಗಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಅಟತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಹಸತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೀತಾ ಖಾದತಿ, ಸೀತಾ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಹ ಧಾವತಿ, ಅವನು ಓಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಅವನು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಅಟತಿ, ಅವನು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಹಸತಿ, ಅವನು ನಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಅವನು ಆಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಹ ಖಾದತಿ, ಅವನು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಾ ಧಾವತಿ, ಅವಳು ಓಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ, ಅವಳು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಅಟತಿ, ಅವಳು ಅಲಿಯುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಹಸತಿ, ಅವಳು ನಗುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಕ್ರೀಡತಿ, ಅವಳು ಆಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಾ ಖಾದತಿ, ಅವಳು ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾಳೆ.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Now I have kept these things same, but these words I have changed. Balaha vikasati, Shishyaha patati, अग्रजः गच्छति, जनकः पठति, पितृव्यः रक्षति, पुत्रः उपविशति. Now you can read it as a top to bottom once here and top to bottom 3 times here, because these are the new words. So anyone can start reading that.
बाला शिष्यः
बालः.
बालः शिष्यः अग्रजः जनकः पितृव्यः पुत्रः विकसति पतति यच्छति पडति रक्षति अपविश्यति
उपविशति.
उपविशति
This is wo. Okay, उपविश्यति. You can read it 3 times each one. Chapter 1.
विकसति पतति यच्छति पडति रक्षति उपविशति.
Correct.
विकसति पतति यच्छति पडति रक्षति उपविशति. One more time,
Once
sir.
more. No, once more.
विकसति पतति यच्छति पठति रक्षति उपविशति.
Other student has read? No, I don't know. Nagamani?
बालः शिष्यः अग्रजः जनकः पितृव्यः पुत्रः विकसति पतति यच्छति पठति रक्षति उपविशति.
उपविशति.
विकसति पतति यच्छति पठति रक्षति उपविशति. विकसति पतति यच्छति पठति रक्षति उपविशति.
Now, these words, can you guess what could be the approximate meaning in English or Kannada?
ವಿಕಸತಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ. ಪತತಿ ಬೀಳು. ಯಚ್ಚತಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್. ಪಡತಿ ಓದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಚ್ಚತಿ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಪಡತಿ ಓದುವುದು.
Okay. Does not matter. I will give the answer next. I wanted to try whether you already know something. That's all. Okay.
ರಕ್ಷತಿ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡು. ಉಪವಿಶತಿ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ.
Okay. See, actually, rough meaning is something like this. This Balaha is boy, Shishya is disciple, pupil, student, learner, all that we can keep. Agrajaha, elder brother, Janakaha, father, Pitruvyaha, uncle, Putraha, son. Vikasate, something to development, I think like that, improvement, like that. Patate means fall. Yachate means give. He gives something. See, Balaha Pachate. Balaha gives. Maybe he gives something which he found on the road, like that. Padate means also fall. See, it looks like in Hindi, Pad means reading. So, they will confuse with Padate means reading. It is not. Padate means fall. It is same as Patate. Patate or Padate or fall. Rakshate, give protection. Upavishate, sit. So, in Kannada, it is something like Balaha is Huduga, Shishyaha is Shishya also we can use, Agrajaha Anna, Janakaha Appa, Pitruvyaha Chikappa, Putraha Maga, Vikasate Abhiruddhi Hondo, like that. Patate Bidu, Yachate Kodu, Padate Bidu, Rakshate Rakshisho, Upavisate Kulathukodu. Rough idea. So using this, we can make again 36 sentences, taking one from here and one of these 6 at a time. We give 6. Like that, totally we will get 36 simple sentences in Sanskrit using just 2 words. So, Balaha Vikasate, Balaha Patate, Balaha Yachate, Balaha Padate, Balaha Rakshate, Balaha Upavishate. Like that you can read. Then use this one, all of them. Use this one and all of them, like that. You can tell the meaning in either in English or Kannada, so that what it means to you, rough idea. Anyone can start.
Okay, sir, I'll start. Balaha vikasati. The
Boy.
student, boy.
Ah.
Boy develops.
Develops,
Balaha patati.
improves business, anything like that. Improvement, everything like that.
Balaha patati. Boy falls. Balaha yachati. Boy gives. Balaha padati. Boy falls. Balaha rakshati. Boy protects. Balaha upavishati. Balaha boy sits.
Very good.
Shishyaha vikasati. Student develops. Shishyaha patati. Student falls. Shishyaha yachati. Student gives. Shishyaha padati. Student falls. Shishyaha rakshati. Student protects. Shishyaha upavishati. Student sits. Agrajaha vikasati. Brother. Here younger, elder we should mention, sir.
Agrajaha means elder brother.
Elder brother. Elder brother develops. Agrajaha patati. Elder brother falls. Agrajaha yachati. Elder brother gives. Agrajaha padati. Elder brother falls. Agrajaha rakshati. Elder brother protects. Agrajaha upavishati. Elder brother sits. Janakaha vikasati. Father develops. Janakaha patati. Father falls. Janakaha yachati. Father gives. Janakaha padati. Father falls. Janakaha rakshati. Father protects. Janakaha upavishati. Father sits. Pitravyaha vikasati. Uncle, we can take this, sir. Chikkappa. Uncle we have to say here.
Yeah,
With
you
uncle
can tell
and
English,
Toga.
you can tell uncle. Okay.
Yeah. Pitruvyaha vikasati. Uncle develops. Pitruvyaha patati. Uncle falls. Pitruvyaha yachati. Uncle gives. Pitruvyaha padati. Uncle falls. Pitruvyaha rakshati. Uncle protects. Pitruvyaha upavishati. Uncle sits. Putraha vikasati. Son develops. Putraha patati. Son falls. Putraha yachati. Son gives. Putraha padati. Son falls. Putraha rakshati. Son protects. Putraha upavishati. Son sits.
Very good. Now the other student can also read the same thing and give the meaning in either English or Kannada. Anyone, no problem.
ಬಾಲಹ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಹ ಪತತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಹ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಹ ಪಡತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಹ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಾಲಹ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ಬಾಲಕನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಪತತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಪಡತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ಶಿಷ್ಯನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪತತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಪಡತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಗ್ರಜಃ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ಅಣ್ಣನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪತತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಪಡತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಜನಕಃ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ತಂದೆಯು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪತತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಪಡತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಿತೃವ್ಯಃ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ವಿಕಸತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ವಿಕಸನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಪತತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಎಚ್ಚತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಪಡತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ಬೀಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ರಕ್ಷತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಪುತ್ರಃ ಉಪವಿಶತಿ, ಪುತ್ರನು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ.
Very good. Now this tomorrow what time shall we keep the class, which is convenient to both of you?
This same time, sir. 10 to 11.
Okay, then I will keep it 10 to 11. You can
10 to
spread
11,
the
okay.
message among your friends so that somebody interested can join. Really, they can benefit from whatever that unique, amazing opportunity I am giving. Maybe we can stop here and we'll continue from here tomorrow exactly at 10 o'clock. Please join in time. I will
Yes,
start
sir.
2 minutes early itself, no problem.
Okay, sir.
I will send the link sufficiently early. You can forward the link to anybody and anybody can join. There is no problem for me. It is totally
Okay.
free. What I want is all of you to become experts in the topic. And you can start even teaching the lessons right now itself using these ideas that what I am giving here. So the recording of this also unedited recording as it is. I will give it. Maybe it will take about 2 to 3 hours for the processing. Then you can go through it once again so that you can revise if there is small confusion between agrajaha, agraja, things like that, and padati and patati, anything of that. And you will be able to follow very easily. Then please write these sentences on white paper using black ink and send it to me so that I can see your handwriting and whether any improvement is needed, I can suggest. Because handwriting differs from person to person and printed or this type of the fonts will give a different thing. So writing one has to practice for writing answers in examinations. So only when you practice now, you will be able to write it in exam. Otherwise, speaking you are doing here, reading you are doing here, listening you are doing here. Only writing is only left. So that will be the homework type of thing. So please do that one and send it
Okay,
to
sir.
me by WhatsApp. I will go through. So if there is any improvements necessary, suggestions required, I will give. Then we will
Sure, sir.
continue tomorrow. We will continue at the same time. 10 o'clock sharp, I will start. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. So now we
Sir,
can
if
go.
you
There is
teach
no, yeah.
us
No problem.
some new things daily, we feel
Any
more
doubts
interesting.
are there? You can ask me.
Sir, if you teach us new things daily, we find it little bit interesting, sir.
Uh-huh.
If you teach us daily some new things, we find it interesting, sir.
Not money, we will keep this time. Regularly we will join, then he will teach us new things, no? He
What
wanted to
time is
fix some
convenient to you on
students
all
with
the
me.
days? I can give on those. Whatever
Actually,
timing
he
you
is
want, I will
teaching
give
at
it.
6 o'clock also. I have gone through with that. And many
Uh-huh.
new things he has introduced. I have
No,
seen that.
actually, after 5 o'clock up to 10:30, I have different sessions.
Ah,
So that is occupied. Early morning 6 to 7, I wanted to keep. Because many people said that is convenient because they are going to school, they are going to offices like that. But
yes, sir.
somehow
That time
not
busy, sir.
many came because thinking that anyway we are getting the video, so why to attend like that. But if you attend these virtual meetings, you will get opportunity to speak and that will give
Clarify the
the
doubt.
experience different rather than just seeing the video. But if you participate once and go through the video, you will understand better. That is
Sure,
why
sir.
I am not restricting you. I am giving the video to everybody. Anybody can forward to anybody. Anybody can learn because I want somebody to make use of this unique, amazing, free opportunity, virtual learning opportunity given which nobody else is giving. Therefore, I am doing that. So it should be benefited to somebody in some corner of the world. So please do that one. And
Sure,
no
sir.
problem. I will keep whatever time convenient to you. 10 to 11, let us keep, no problem. And all the days, if it is convenient, we can keep the same thing also.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
So, Punarmilamaha in Sanskrit.
Punarmilamaha Mahodaya.
We will meet again. Like that.
Oh,
Sir,
Punarmilamaha
one
Mahodaya.
Ah, ah.
Nice.
Thank
one more doubt, sir.
Ah.
Sir, ನೀವು ಹಲೋ
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಾ.
ಸರ್ ಮಹೋದಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮಹೋದಯ.
No, Mahodaya only. So I was asking someone else. See, they were telling everybody something like this. Mridula Mahodaya, Sharvari Mahodaya, Ganesh Mahodaya, they were telling. Then I asked them, you tell the same thing for both female
Girls and boys.
male friends. Then she gave clarification. If it is female, we will say Mahodaya, and male, we will say Mahodaya. But in practice, she was telling everybody Gauri Mahodaya, Sujata Mahodaya, like that she was telling. What happens, writing is something different, and in
Saying
speaking,
is
something
speaking
different
is
comes. I told you the other example. Name of one person is Bhavani. So other person was introducing and telling, if you call her Bhavani, she will not turn her head itself because she is Dodba. But you see, calling using Dodba, Bhavani, it becomes very difficult. So they write it as Bhavani, but read it as Bhavani only. Call as Bhavani. You're able to follow?
yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, no problem. Whatever you tell, it is okay. We learn slowly, step by step, listening to others' speeches, reading the books, etc. Plus, I will give elaborate lessons which does not require any book to purchase. Whatever I give, will be your notes. It will be the best notes that you can make in the form of for learning Sanskrit. You are able to
Sure.
follow?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay. Because I have put several sleepless nights to collect the information, arrange the information, prepare the PPT and all that. It is not very easy. And daily
That's
I
very
get
true,
up at
sir.
2 o'clock in the morning, up to 6 I will prepare this, all these PPTs and other things. Planning for that and preparing for that. Plus, we have to read a lot of books to identify and collect whatever is required, how to make it simplified, things like that. Lot of planning and arrangement is necessary before preparing the this one.
This
But
happened with me also, sir. While
Ah.
learning English, we
So,
all are in Kannada medium, so we
we
are
are all
struggling
studied.
too
I
much to
studied in
learn
Kannada
study
medium.
English.
It was very difficult to learn English. It took almost
English,
25
yeah.
years.
Sometimes it's read, sometimes it is read. So
Ah,
we are getting confused. When I asked the sir, he said,
yeah.
"You come to the tuition." I was not supposed to go to tuition that time. And when I
Ah.
had been to tuition, that time he explained me everything. So the basic grammar is very important to learn any of the language, he said.
No, here I tell you, even though I am speaking fluently in English, after so many years of effort, I do not know grammar at all. If I
That's
start
true, sir.
writing a sentence, the whole paragraph there will be only one full stop. The whole book there will be one full stop, because I will not put anywhere comma and other things. Once we start, we keep on continuing up to the end. This is because we were told in primary school that Ganesha, when taking down dictation, he said, If you stop, I will stop." So the other person said, I
While
will not
writing
stop.
Mahabharata.
Yeah, I will not stop, he said. Now, he said, I will give the Klishta Padagalu or Katina Padagalu, you have to simplify and write it. That kind of a thing. So, when he started writing, it is difficult to stop at all. Like that same thing I told in one conference. Somebody was talking in between. I said, after I stop, you can speak.
I will not start.
But he was telling, you are not stopping at all. Because if you start, you will continue. We will not look at the watch. We will not think of
Sometimes that
anything
flow
else.
will not be there, no, sir. We are ready
That is
to
why.
present the content.
That particular sequence we will be
Yeah.
arranging, logical sequence. That gets
Something
upset.
is
There will be
distracting me, the content will leave off. That's what.
there will be diversion, and we will have to discuss something else. Like that
Yes,
it
sir.
happens. So everything we learn gradually and start using it. So I am giving the opportunity here, using it. For speaking, I am giving opportunity. For listening, I am giving. For reading, I am giving. Writing also, I am giving. Writing part you have to do, it is homework.
Yeah, sir.
Because
I will follow.
because here we cannot do the writing. Maybe at
Writing,
later
yeah.
stage we can do on this one also. But right now, take your own time. Go through the video recording once again if you want. Then write all this so many sentences that we can form. Preferably use white unruled paper and black ink or gel pen, so that clarity will come better. You can send it by WhatsApp. I will go through and suggest any improvement required in handwriting, so that you will be expert in writing also. And you can start teaching this subject right now without learning further, because as you proceed, you will be learning extra lesson and you will be able to teach extra lesson to the students also like that. That way, you become expert and one day you will become a professor. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely will do, sir.
Definitely I will do. Whatever help is required, I will give. Absolutely no problem.
Sure,
That
sir.
is why I have made it like that. See, Matavara is my village. That village has got this. This is a bird's stand. This is there
Oh,
from last 300 years, they say, because much before that we don't have people when it is prepared, but they maintain it. It's really nice there. So I saw in an article that instead of individual name, the name of the place lives little longer. So I have put here that Matavara, my village in Chikmagalur
Mattavara.
district. Yeah. So this is the wrong spelling actually, but whatever at that time who learned little bit English, they put this spelling and we have to follow that one. That's what happened. So I have made it
Yes.
Dual Institute of Technology. That means learn any subject for any course. I am going to teach. So if I don't know also, I will learn and then teach. This is the free virtual learning center for everybody. Anybody can become a scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. So thanks to Corona for having made this possible, because without Corona, this Zoom and other applications were not coming at all.
That's
This
true.
is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative given by our Prime Minister. Learn free at any place. Learn free at any time. Learn
Any
free at
place.
any place. You can go slow learning, fast learning, etc. Generally, 25 to 40 hours, a student will become expert in any subject. I teach all engineering subjects. Those who have 0 marks in the beginning, I will make them to reach 63.2% in shortest possible time. That is, it depends on the how fast the student learns. We had one student by name Pancharatna. She could say, I have learned enough for first class in 15 hours. There are slow students who took about 40 hours. On an average, 24-25 hours is more than enough to get a first class. And 63.28 comes if you are any the student who has learned this is physics, maybe in the PUC first year, then I can explain why that 63.2 comes. If you are not science student, you may not understand. It is something like charging of a capacitor using a high resistor. Approximately, you can consider it as charging your mobile. Okay. If mobile
Okay,
is
sir.
having zero charge, to reach 63.2% of the maximum value, how much time it takes to charge? And
Yeah, yeah.
that 63.2% is very important figure in all control circuits in electrical electronic engineering. So first is to reach the 63.2. Afterwards, it takes time to reach the full value. So it takes more time there. But minimum time is required to get a first class. And telling
Sure.
first class today is itself is not bad. Instead of telling I failed in 2 papers, I failed in 3 papers like that, you can say first class, I have passed in first class. So I am concentrating on that particular aspect. Okay,
Okay,
we
sir.
can leave here. We'll
Okay, sir.
join tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any questions is there? You can ask me, no problem. If you have
Okay,
any
sir.
doubts, anything. So
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
far, I tell
ಮಹೋದಯ.
you, nobody has asked me any doubt in this one, because
This is
everything is
very
make
clear, sir, and you are spoon
yeah,
feeding us.
everything I will
It is
make it
like
clear,
spoon
correct,
feeding.
complete. And whatever is something not clear, it comes in the next class. It automatically comes.
And each and every
Because
verb we are doing for six times, it is perfecting in the mind only. No need to read again. That much of perfectness.
otherwise, simply people attend, students will not learn, teacher will not forget. So that is what in Kannada they will say, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So that should not happen here.
ನಿಜ.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
We'll meet
thank you,
tomorrow at 10
Nagamani.
o'clock.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you. Punarabhulam.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್.
So this program brought to you by Matavara Dual Institute of Technology, the free virtual learning center for everybody. Become an eminent scientist, professor, engineer, innovator in the shortest possible time and in the simplest possible way. Learn free at any place, learn free at any time, learn free at any place. Thanks to Corona for having made this possible. This is an Atmanirbhar Bharata initiative. Go green, save trees. Good luck, learners. Have a good day.